Audio Jungle.
I am the one for you. I'm the one. I'm the one.
Welcome on board with Mugaru the car guy. I'm going to be taking you through this Audi A4. It's a 2.0 FSI turbo engine. I'm going to be taking you how to remove the air condition or the AC filter, or you may call it the cabin filter on board. So this is the interior of the car. I guess you can see it's really good and very comfortable in the interior. So let me go on the other side, then I'll be showing you what we need to do. Okay. Well, you know, it's a little bit foggy and with little light, but I'm going to ensure that we are very clear with it. And let's go. You know, this is the interior of the car. So on the left side of the car, that's the co-driver under the glove compartment. So this is the glove compartment here. So we're going to go under the glove compartment. That's where the cabin or the AC filter is located. You know, my first time to remove this cabin filter, I first opened up this whole unit where we put the car manuals. In fact, the car manual for this car. But I wasted much time. I opened all this unit. I opened everything. You know, it's a 8mm nuts and bolts, which I opened. But it's very simple. You don't have to have even a single tool to open up this cabin filter. So let's go and I get the lighting system, and we shall be able to see what's happening. Well, beneath the co-driver footwell, that's here. So we access this paper, which is having one nut, which is plastic, and I need to open it here. So let me try to open it. Okay, I'm having one hand, but let me ensure that the torch is somewhere there. So I open up this out. So crazy. Okay, put for me torch, man. Okay, there. So this one I'm referring to, this one, I open it up, okay, with my bare hands. Oh, it's out. Okay, on to the other one, which was supposed to be there. It's not there. You see, it's not there. So I'm lucky this time. Okay, let's open this one out with just bare hands. So this is the paper I was referring to. This is the paper. So let's continue to access this side of the cabin filter. So we're going to slide this unit onto the left. Hold here, man. We slide here onto the left. Now it's out, which is the covering part of the AC filter. It's right above there. So we're going to pull it out, the pollen filter element. Hold for me here again. You can lie down there. It's right about there. If you are very vigilant, it's there, up here. So I'm going to put it out. Then we see the way forward. It's here, coming out. So it's right about here, and I'm through removing it out, so you can see from with more light here, it's already out. So you have to be more vigilant with the AC cabin of pollen filter, because now this one is really broken and it could cause cancer whenever you inhale. So remember, this is the air you inhale from the air condition. You gotta be careful. More videos are coming up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. I'm out.